you guys. You're gonna love this. What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. This pumpkin is right here because it's fall, so don't mind it. Okay.
Well, you know, last Friday the Switch Lite came out. We got them. Yeah, they like John Cena out in this piece. Well, like I was saying, so last Friday we went to Gamestop. We was getting games for our Nintendo Switch Lite, and a lady, she just asked, are those Nintendo Switch Lites? And we said yes, and she gave us
all this free stuff.
Yeah, like free. There's blind bags and all this other stuff.
Yeah, like his blind bags and all. And it was all free.
And we're unboxing it today. Shout out to the lady and man from Gamestop in Florida, Mississippi. We thank you so much for giving us all this stuff. Open it. Quickest way to do it these days. Now. You have lots and lots of stuff.
Scissors.
So, what do you want to
So
do
we
first?
got some fingerling blind bags.
It says 3 surprises and it says clippers. Oh, so these are fingerlings mini. Alright, let's open them up.
Okay.
Ooh, like it comes with a little fingerling mini, like a purse and like a necklace or something. At least that's what it looks like. See, look, that's a little
like
ring I was
ring.
talking about.
And
what's a big ring?
Blue pumpkin. Let me try to
A blue fingerling. Respect them. Respect them. Respect them. Oh, no, pink fingerling. Look at it.
They're like cotton candy.
It's going to be like for your pinky or something, I guess. And this the ring thingy I got set. Oh, and the little heart. Look, this is like. And this thing is the deal that comes with it.
Okay. Came with banana purse.
That sounds like come with some kind of purse.
Alright,
Next. Well, we got this. Oh, you know, Ready Player One. I like that movie.
Oh.
Like Ready Player One, little mini.
And you can get like little keys too, I think.
Yeah, they're key rings. They're Ready Player One key rings. That was a good movie. Well, okay.
It's soft. Oh,
Wait, did we get the same one?
Yeah.
This is the one-on-one avatar soldier. It's a soldier from there.
Yep.
I'm trying to remember what part of the movie was that from. I don't know. Well, it's just the one-on-one soldier.
Yeah.
We got these
My Little Pony pop sockets.
I got Rarity
And I got Rainbow Dash and Pinkie Pie
Pie
because they're like my favorite.
you know, pop socket. Pop socket play. Oh, y'all basically saw it.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah,
just gonna
let's just
keep
sit
mine
those
right
down.
here.
Well, this is the Super Nintendo Entertainment System. You know,
It's like a notepad.
notepad. Looks like it, and write all your notes. And, oh wait, look, the game controller's on there.
Oh, let me see. Oh, that's so cool.
Well, I'm gonna be. This is mine.
Okay. Harley Quinn light.
Pixel Pal.
Yeah, pixel. And it lights up. It's a light.
Harley Quinn glows at the
It
dark.
looks so good.
Want to see.
Slowly. I don't know.
Next,
And
we have. Oh, I want to open this real bad.
yeah, because I'm not good with boxes.
Oops, I didn't see what it name was. Fingerlings banana thingy. Oops.
Oh, it comes with 2 fingerlings.
Minis and little things. A ring and
Purses.
the little necklace thing. That's another one. I had 2 of those. We got 3.
They're glittery. They're glittery. And they have like cutie marks. Like this one has a
Cutie
heart.
marks.
This one has like a heart.
You mean cutie marks? Like,
And this one has like a bow. That's peach. And pearls have like a swirl. Okay, that's so cool. They have like cutie marks.
this is blue hearts. And this one just.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Except this.
Oh, green ring.
She got unicorn.
I got a unicorn. I got a unicorn. It comes with a flower purse.
I got a monkey with purple flowers on the side.
Got a unicorn.
And a green
I
ring.
got a unicorn. I got a unicorn.
Look at this purse.
Purse.
Look at it, it's so pretty.
Well,
Walking
yeah,
out.
that's all our stuff for you. Thank you. One more thing. We're going to give you a sneak peek of our next video.
Okay.
You guys are going to love this.
Not us.
And it's the new version with a harder pepper and a harder way to make your tears
And
go
it
out and
says-
evaporate.
Warning, eat at your own risk.
Z-Gang, you better give us all your support because we are eating these dangerous, life-threatening chips. I'm so scared. We'll actually see if our auntie Jayla will do this with us. Jayla, if you're watching, comment down below if you'll do this with us. I'm positive she would.
Yeah, so I won't have to eat mice. This is very scary for me because I don't really like hot foods.
If you guys seen our last parking video, you know it was intense. And it wasn't even Carolina Reaper. Also, you know my mom, the one chip, and Jayla, all the dancing and not eating the hot chips. And we almost got 5,000 views. So give us a lot of views and likes on this if we get more subscribers because this is gonna make us cry a lot in sweat.
It looks dangerous. Even look at the box.
And don't forget to hit that bell and get ready for these intense chips.
Hey, Harley, move!